Hi friends, Diwali is almost here and we can't contain our excitement anymore. In India, Diwali is not just another festival, rather it's the most significant one which brings the entire country together to celebrate. Everybody heads back home, meet their friends and family, exchange lots and lots of gifts, and amid all Diwali preparation, what people love doing the most is decorating their homes. Unlike other festivals, Diwali ki celebration extends over 5 days period. Diwali represents the conquest of good thoughts and deeds over the evil tendencies. Each of the 5 days has its own significance and a different ritual. Though it's a 5 day celebration, but the preparation and the anxiety begins weeks ahead. We start by cleaning, preparing delicacies, and decorating our homes well in advance. I hope that most of you are done with the cleaning phases and now you must be looking for some Diwali decor ideas. So in this video, I'm going to share tips on how to decorate for Diwali. These Diwali decoration ideas will help you get your home ready for Diwali. So we'll just give you about 10 ideas here. First and foremost, diyas and candles. Nothing can beat the diya, the candle duo, in a Diwali decoration. But some plain diyas and simple diya candles, you can just light them and decorate the boundary of your house with it. Put them alternatively along the wall, along the entrances and the pavement, even the facades. You can also brighten up simple diyas and candles with colors and glitters, give out your own creative side and try just not to only buy diyas. Instead, make your own diyas this Diwali with something like a flour dough, eggshells, seashells, or you can also use fruit pills. So simply add some glitter, stick on some sequence work, some leftovers at your home, pour in that melted wax and add a wick to it. You will get your hands on some cinnamon stick candles, aroma sticks, etc. and make the best use of them. I'm sure you all are very, very creative people. So apart from कि वो बहुत creative लगता है, they will leave your house with a faint fragrance, that beautiful light fragrance which is so nice to smell when you enter into some house. Secondly, floating candles. What's not to love about floating candles? The floating candle is a part of modern decoration that looks very fresh when used as a centerpiece or probably like an accent decor. You will just have to fill decorated bowls with water and put some floating candles in them. You can also put some flower petals, some glitter, keep these balls in different places of your house, like putting it on the center table along with sweets and dry fruits besides them so that it looks like very exquisite. You can also paint or make rangolis around these bowls. So, the ideas are innumerous. It's only limited by your creativity. Thirdly, rangolis. Rangolis are the most beautiful Diwali decor that one can do along their own. सिर्फ दिवाली पे इतना ज़्यादा रंगोली बनता है. Along with that, they're a part of every integral part of every Diwali that it also possesses somehow an aura of positivity and good cheer. While some Diwali rangolis can be made by using some mild paint or watercolors that bring out the inner artist in you, you can otherwise also buy some rangoli colored powders and stencils and just trace beautiful designs along with your candles and diyas. This could be done on the walls also, you can paint your walls also around your home. Some people use rice, beans, chickpeas, lentil, flowers along with some paints and color powder to make the most creative and 3D rangolis in their houses. So, use this one of the biggest rangoli pattern you would want to make in your living area or at the entrance. It just makes the entrance so beautiful. It makes the house look like कि inviting हो गया घर एकदम से. Fourth, I would say the old school lanterns. Those lanterns, kandeels, जो बचपन से हम देखते आ रहे हैं, they add an element of festivity in the air. Merely seeing them being hung from balconies, windows, verandas on Diwali gives such a warm and welcoming feeling. So get those old lanterns out of your garage, probably just light them and keep them at different corners in and around the house. You know, you can also, as I said, unleash your creativity. Paint them or probably surround them with rangoli patterns, which make them look so beautiful. You know, it just lights up your lives with happiness, and making these lanterns is just a simple and beautiful, way of doing it. You can also add ornamental stone and sparkle to lit them up. Next, I would like to say that how about paper lanterns? You know, looking for a creative way to decorate your house this Diwali, you can do it yourself. You know, paper lanterns are so simple to do, like you can use those recycled Diwali lanterns made from CDs, those old CDs जो अब चलती भी नहीं है, उनसे बना लिया, या फिर आपने वो lanterns को different और unique matter से किसी और manner से बना लिया. You can alter their shapes, sizes as per your choices. All you need to do is pick up few things lying idle and put them to a good use in this Diwali. You can also use some of these paper lanterns up, and you can hang them in your garden or a porch. This would look super creative and elegant. So this just spells festivity into the atmosphere of good spirits and happiness. Sixth, I would like to say that how about DIY lights? You know, do it yourself. Light jars and bottles, you know, जितनी वो पुरानी glass bottles होती हैं और दिवाली की lights होती हैं, you can put them together, create these into beautiful fairy light jars. Don't throw those old liquor bottles just as it. मतलब उसमें तो आप इतनी सुंदर चीज़ें क्रिएट कर सकते हो. उसमें आप दिवाली लाइट्स डाल सकते हो, उसके अंदर वो फेरी लाइट्स डाल सकते हो और उसको इधर उधर कहीं रख सकते हो टू ऐड योर क्रिएटिविटी, you know, your touch to decoration. For a more creative idea for light jars and bottles, you just look around your kitchen and you are bound to find some unused empty glass bottles. उसको किसी भी बहुत सुंदर से एक cellophane पेपर से कवर करो, brilliant color वाले, and utilize that shaded putty to make that jar creative. उसको seal करने के लिए colorful पुट्टी लगा ली, and you just make your own thing. Place a flame or light string inside instantly to light up your room. One more offbeat idea is to make a light jar by taking a mason jar and sticking a broad lace to cover it. वो जो अच्छे वाले jars आते हैं उस पर बड़ी अच्छी सुंदर सुंदर laces लगा के आपने cover कर दिया और उस पर कुछ अपने आप आपने कोई creativity की जिसमें आपने कहीं कुछ splash of color दिखा दिया, एक different design use कर लिया. Even you can do it with bindis, you know, जो मम्मी की बिंदियाँ पड़ी हुई है पुरानी वाली और कभी यूज़ नहीं हो रही हैं, आप उसको यूज़ करके भी बना सकते हैं. जब सब कर लो उसके बाद just add probably a candle and subtle lights. It's so simple to do yet so elegant as a Diwali decor. Next I would like to say is Torans या बंदरवार, जिसको हम हर रिचुअल में लाते हैं अपनी दिवाली पे. somehow ऐसा माना जाता है कि जब हम दिवाली पे we hang a तोरान at a entrance door, it is considered as an auspicious sign कि बहुत positivity आती है. तो वो जो decorative तोरान्स होते हैं which are hung with intention to welcome the goddess Lakshmi to your household, they can either be you can get it from the market or you can make it yourself. So those there are so modest वाले भी available होते हैं, like those plastic torans or crisp blossom. Then don't look like बहुत सुंदर नहीं लगते, बट उसमें ना आप अपनी क्रिएटिविटी ऐड करके उसको बहुत सुंदर बना सकते हो. यू कैन ऐड वेलकम कार्ड्स, यू कैन ऐड ब्रोकन नेक बैंड्स जो टूट जाती हैं, नेकलेसेस वो ऐड कर दी, पुराने ओल्ड कार्डबोर्ड के कटआउट्स निकाले, कुछ बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग शेप्स बनाई, स्पार्कल ऐड किया, ग्लिटर ऐड किया, और फिर उसको जब आप पूरा बना के ऐड करते हो दिट लुक्स सो ब्यूटिफुल. Eighth, I would say all the little thing decoration is not just about big things. Instead, it's always about little things too. Like when you're decorating your house, you can change cushions, you can change curtains, bed covers to make your house look like you have actually prepared it for that festive look. You can also add a few decorative items to highlight other big items, like out of box idea, like using those old saris as cushion covers, or making the covers, traditional covers, look interesting with your own hand beadwork. Ninth, I would like to say, is floral decoration. From those potted buds, lucky bamboos, flowers, dash of nature, it's somehow the color of festivity. So, and it's not pocket tied, you can buy decorative items from the market, you can buy flowers, decorate your entrance, stairways. You can get that exquisite look at the center table by just putting that brass pot, filling it with water, and just put some flowers into it. 10th, fairy light. I think this is something that you can decorate everything with. The patli wali lights jo hoti hai, you can decorate your walls with hanging or a painting. How about just lighting them up anywhere? So those strips could be, they just make the house look so beautiful. You can put it around your mirror, or probably just hang it around your sofa. Just switch it on with your main light, and you can leave the fairy lights on all day, all night. You can deck up your facades with it. You can also deck up your garden area with it, entrance foyers. Somehow that lighting up your garden with fairy lights is such an interesting way to get a decor. Thank you friends, thank you for watching this video on how to decorate for Diwali. I hope these Diwali decoration tips will help you out. Do tag Ansa Interiors in your Diwali decor photographs. We would love to see those. Thank you for watching. For professional interior design consultancy, don't forget to subscribe, like and share our video, and do contact us for professional interior design consultancy at www.ansainteriors.com. Thank you. Bye.